He heard a
Sit up, buddy.
sound.
Thanks, hon.
He heard the train. It was a train. I heard it. Train. Listen. Ready? It was a train. As I opened the door and I walked outside, the conductor said, "The Polar Express." I said, "Where are we going?" Oh, we're going to your house? To the North Pole. The conductor punched my ticket. Does everyone have their ticket? Oh, you do. Punch, 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 punch. Ticket? Thank you. Punch, 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 punch. Ticket?